Hi first graders, today we're moving on to Unit 2, Lesson 5, and the title of this lesson is Explore Solution Methods, and that pretty much just means you can use any way that you want to figure out the problems. You can use your fingers, you can draw pictures, anything that you can come up with to arrive at the correct answer. That's what this is all about today. So it says solve and discuss. Explain how you solved the problem. The only thing I really want to show you is that this box shows the part that we don't know. And as we move along in math this year, this box might be in the middle, this box might be in the front, or it might be right here where it is right now in the total place. So how can we find this number? Let's think about it. Okay, we could draw a picture like we've been doing with the circle drawings. We could have 6 circles plus 2 circles. We could use our fingers. We could have 6 fingers up and then put 2 more up to find the answer. Any solution that gives us the correct answer is great. So you use whatever method you want and figure out what is 6 plus 2. Did you say 8? You're correct. 6 and 2 more. Let's try 7 plus 3. What is 7 plus 3? You can draw a picture, you can use your fingers, or you can count up 3 more from 7. I'll give you a hint, that's kind of what we're going to introduce to you today. Counting on. So if you have 7 and you count up 3 more, 8, 9, 10. Your answer is 10. So there's 2 strategies you can use when you're doing addition. We have counting all or counting on. So counting all would be if I had an equation and I was going to count all the dots, every single one. So I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting on is when you start at a number and go up from there. So you don't have to count all the dots. So right here, our little emoji is saying, which is faster, counting all of the dots or counting on? What do you think? I think counting on is faster because you start at a number already, like a higher number, and you just count up a few instead of counting all of them. All right, let's go to your workbook. So today you need to be on page, oops, I don't have the page number. It should just be the next clean page. Please forgive me for not having that snipped in there. Unit 2, Lesson 5, that's the next page. So we're going to count on and write the total. So here we can see the equation says 5 plus 2 equals unknown. This box means unknown. We don't know what goes there yet. Okay, so we have 5, and then we need to count the dots. 5, 6, 7. So go ahead and write 7. Number 2, 6 plus 4, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's keep going. Here we have 8 and 1 more. So we would say 8, 9. Three plus 5. So we have 3, and we're going to count on 5 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I would like for you to do number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. It's the same strategy, friends. Start at the number that it shows and count up with the dots. Once you finish that, you can play the video again and then join me on the next page. Okay, this back part seems a little tricky, but we just have to draw to explain our thinking. So it says draw or write to explain how to count on. So we're going to start with 7, and we're going to add on 2 more. So just like the cards did on the front, I'm going to write a big number 7 right here. Number 7 plus, I'm going to draw a circle here. This is 8, and this is 9. Okay, so we would say 7, 8, 9. It says draw or write a different way to solve. Okay, so we could do 7 plus 2, just like it gave us, equals this is our unknown box. We're still trying to figure that out. Okay, we could draw the circles, right? We could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots, plus 1, 2 dots, and then count all the dots. Now that takes a little bit longer, right? Because here we just said 7, 8, 9. Here we would have to count all the dots and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Either way, we come up with the same answer, which is the good part. That means we got it right. But this top way, counting on, is faster. Okay? Number 12 says, choose a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Count on 3 more, complete the equation, and draw or write to explain. So some of our answers might look different here because you have a choice. For my example, I'm just going to do 3. So I'm using the number 3 here. 3 plus 3 equals, so we want to count on, we have 3 plus 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, equals the unknown. So we would say 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, there's our answer. And we knew that one because that one's a doubles fact anyways. All right, check for understanding. Explain if you would use counting all or counting on to solve 5 plus 3 equals unknown. So would you want to write all of the dots out, 5 dots plus 3 dots? Or you could just do 5 plus 3 dots and count on from there. Okay? If you could just write what you get in that little box or off to the side if it's too hard to fit, that would be great. Then, if you could please, excuse me, go to your homework packet, flip to where you see homework 2.5. Okay, so you're going to do homework 2.5 and also do remembering, which is the backside, which is review. And then remember, I will collect that when you come back to school, so keep it in a safe place. Thanks, first graders.